Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study the application of Pythagoras theorem. Now, application of Pythagoras theorem on the acute angle triangle. In triangle ABC, segment BD, perpendicular side BC, such that point D lie between B and C and the angle B is less than 90 degrees. So we call that the acute angle triangle. Then prove that AC square equal to AB square, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD, minus 2BC into BD. Now proof in triangle ADB. See, because of this perpendicular we get here two right angle triangle. See, in this triangle ADB, measure of angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Then we write down here Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. This is the equation number 1. We use the Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle ADC, this triangle, here angle ADC is 90 degree. So we used again Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AD square plus DC square, AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. That is again Pythagoras theorem. Now in this equation, DC is written as DC equal to BC minus BD. This DC is nothing but BC minus DB. Then write down AC square equal to AD square plus, replace this DC by BC minus BD, then bracket square, because D lie between B and C. Now square of this bracket, AC square plus AD square plus BC square minus 2 into BC into BD, then plus BD square. Now we take this BD on the front side, AC square equal to AD square plus this BD square plus this BC square minus 2 BC into BD. Now see here, AD square plus BD square is nothing but, see the equation, AD square plus BD square equal to AB square. So we replace this bracket by AB square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square as it is minus 2BC into BD. In this way we can prove the application of Pythagoras theorem on the acute angle triangle. Now we see the second application in obtuse angle triangle. See the triangle ABC, measure of angle B is greater than 90. Then we can see that the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. If the segment AD perpendicular side BC, see the AD is perpendicular side BC which is outside this base BC. Now see the point D lie outside this BC, means we write down here D dash B dash C. Then AD is perpendicular side BC and D dash B dash C, means point B lie between D and C. Then prove that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square plus BC into BD plus 2 BC into BD. Proof in triangle ADB. See, this triangle ADB is right angle triangle. So measure of angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Then write down Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus DB square. That is the Pythagoras theorem, equation number 1. Then in triangle ADC, this greater triangle. In this triangle, angle ADC is 90 degree. Then we write down Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AD square plus DC square, Pythagoras theorem. Now for this DC we can write down here DC equal to BD plus BC bracket square. Square of this bracket AC square equal to AD square plus BD square plus twice BD into BC plus BC square. Now AD square plus BD square is nothing but, see, AD square plus BD square in equation 1, that is AB square. Then put for this bracket AB square, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square plus twice BC into BD. In this way we can prove here. Then we see the Apollonius theorem. In this Apollonius theorem, there is the median, AM is the median of the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of side BC, then prove that AC square plus AB square equal to twice AM square plus twice BM square. Now this theorem is called the Apollonius theorem. Then we prove this Apollonius theorem. Given in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of segment BC. That it means BC is divided into two parts, means BM equal to MC. Then to prove AB square plus AC square equal to twice AM square plus twice BM square, construction, draw segment AD perpendicular side BC such that point D lie between B and C. In proof, segment AD perpendicular side BC, that is the construction, and point D lie between B and C. In triangle ADB, this triangle, angle ADB is 90 degree. So we write down Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square, equation number 1, Pythagoras theorem. Then see the triangle ADC. In this triangle, angle ADC is 90 degree. Then we again write down Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AD square plus DC square, equation number 2, Pythagoras theorem. Then see the third triangle, triangle ADM, this inside triangle ADM. In this triangle, angle ADM equal to 90 degree. Then again we can write down Pythagoras theorem, AM square equal to AD square plus DM square, is equation number 3, Pythagoras theorem. Now we know the M is the midpoint of BC, that is the given. Then we say that CM equal to MB, that is the midpoint property. Then take a summation of these two, equation 1 and 2, AB square plus AC square plus AB square equal to AD square plus BD square plus AD square plus DC square. In this way we write down the sum of these two equation 1 and 2 from 1 and 2. Then see here AD square, there are 2 AD, so write down twice AD square. Then this DC is also written like that, DM plus MC, this DC, DM plus MC bracket square. Then this BD square, this BD is written like that, this BM minus DM. This BD is written like that, BM minus DM. And write down the square of this. See, this BD replaced by this, and this DC replaced by this bracket. Then square of this bracket, this twice AD square as it is, DM square plus MC square plus 2 into dm into MC, 2 into dm into MC plus MB square plus dm square minus 2 into MB into dm, 2 into MB into dm. Now see here, 2 into dm into MC and 2 into MB into dm both are the same, because see here, dm MC MB, here MC equal to MB is given, so this MC and this MB is same, so we cancel these two. Then this is the equation from equation 4, these two are cancelled. Then write down 2 AD square. See here, AD square plus DM square, AD square plus DM square. See here the equation AD square plus DM square equal to AM square, this equation 3. We write down here in one bracket, take to common, then write down remaining as MB square as it is, but MC is nothing but MB. So write down MC as a MB or BM square, then this is a BM square, then sum of these two we get 2BM square. Now AD square plus DM square, from this equation 3 we write down AM square, then here for this bracket we AM square write down, then 2AM square plus 2BM square. In this way we prove that AC square plus AB square equal to twice AM square plus twice BM square. In this way we prove the Apollonius theorem. Good day, goodbye, okay.